Hey tartlets, it's Deanna. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to make vegan strawberry cheesecake bites. These are great to bring to a party or a barbecue. They are perfect. They're really actually refreshing because you keep them frozen and then keep them refrigerated after that. So I really love these. I thought they were pretty easy to make and I hope you guys like them too. First we're going to get started with the crust by crushing up 6 whole graham crackers. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of melted vegan butter. Then we're just going to put them into the little cupcake holders, muffin holders, and pack them in. Next, we're going to blend up cashews, banana, coconut oil, vanilla extract, syrup, and lemon juice into a blender. And then we're going to pour that into the graham cracker crust. This is going to be our filling. Then we're going to make our topping, which is just processing in a blender strawberries, dates, and lemon juice. And then you're just putting the filling all over, and I twirled it around with a toothpick to make it really get in there good. Then you're just going to freeze it for 1 hour, and voila! I must say I definitely approve. So that's all for the vegan strawberry cheesecake bites. Super easy to make. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments down below if you're trying it out, or if you'd like to see something else next time. I'll see you guys later, tartlets. Bye!